Hey friends, if you wish to fix ERR connection aborted error in Google Chrome on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the resolutions. So the first solution is to check the internet speed. Search for Chrome in the Windows search bar and open Chrome. Now go to fast.com and hit enter and then check the connection speed here. Is it good enough? If yes, then proceed to the next solution, and if not, then sort this out before anything else. The next solution is to clear cache and cookies. And how would you do that? So click on these three dots at the top right corner and select history and then history once again. Okay, now you can click on delete browsing data, change the time range to all time, select delete data. The next solution is to disable extensions. So click on these three dots at the top right corner and select extensions. Then click on manage extensions. Now all extensions are not bad, but there are a few which can be problematic. So you need to identify them, especially those which are unrecognized or which are not popular or which do not have a good rating. Try disabling them. If it solves the problem, then remove those specific extensions from your browser. And lastly, obviously, you can reset Chrome. People say that it's an overkill, but we can do it if nothing else is working. So click on these three dots at the top right corner and then select settings from the menu. Okay. And then you can go to reset settings on the list on the left hand side and then select restore setting to their original default. Click on reset settings. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.